The potato truck is at Bay 3.
I'm on my way.
Drivers, please proceed to Bay 7. Ensure all sacks are secured before transfer.
The green peas are perfectly chilled and ready for processing.
Excellent. These potatoes and onions meet our freshness standards too.
Pallet 7B Alpha scanned and ready for slot 4. Move it up.
The fresh produce is thoroughly washed in a multi-stage process before proceeding to the mixing vats.
These are perfect for the filling, not too soft.
Yes, the steam level is just right now.
The high-capacity mashers ensure a perfectly fluffy texture, essential for our samosa filling. Meticulously cleaned and perfectly graded on our vibrating screens, ensuring only the freshest peas move on to the samosa filling line.
Check the temperature on kettle 3.
It's holding steady at 90 degrees, almost ready for cooling.
After leaving the kettles, the filling enters the cooling conveyor, where a gentle airflow prepares it for the next stage.
Everything seems to be passing inspection.
The texture and color are exactly right. We can approve this batch. We use only the finest premium wheat flour, combined with water, salt, and oil in our... The dough is now entering the resting phase. Controlled temperature and humidity ensure perfect elasticity before rolling. The mesmerizing precision of the circular blades guarantees uniform strips every time. Utilizing advanced automation, we ensure every samosa pastry is perfectly separated and aligned for the next stage of production. Attention all workers. Ensure temperature checks are completed by 1400 hours. Samosa folding sequence optimized. Unit 4, increase speed by 5%. Quality check passed.
How's the batch looking, Preeti?
Uniform and perfectly golden, sir. Passing inspection. Error detected on Unit 7. Removing from line. Quality control maintained.
Line 5 is clear for frying. Maintain current speed.
Crispy, golden, and delicious. Our samosas are fried to perfection every time.
Make sure the temperature stays consistent on line 3.
Looks like these are browning nicely.
As the samosas enter the cooling tunnel, filtered air circulates evenly, preserving the crispness.
Scanning complete. All parameters verified. Proceed to automated packaging.
Appearance is good, no cracks. Weight checks out. And the filling looks excellent.
Automated packaging sequence commencing on line 2. Ensure all sensors are calibrated and operational.
Our freshly prepared samosas are carefully placed into our new branded food-grade trays, ensuring perfect quality every time.
The heat seal ensures that every package is airtight, maintaining peak freshness from our factory to your table. Our precision inkjet printers ensure every package is clearly marked without ever slowing down the production line. Carton 25,300 processed. Next batch commencing.
The fully palletized samosa cartons are now entering the finished goods warehouse, ready for the next stage of distribution.
We need the next shipment of samosa pallets ready for dispatch by 1400 hours. All hands on deck.
Confirming receipt of samosas, Bay 4.
Acknowledged. Report to the main aisle.
The seal looks perfect on this batch.
Agreed. The pallet stability is good to go.
Okay, the priority shipment for Sector 3 just came through. Did you get the scan on the samosas?
Confirmed. They're ready for immediate dispatch. Check the stability on the upper right, team.
Already on it, almost finished with the tape.
Looks solid now, boss. Ready to roll.
Labels are printed and applied with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring every pallet reaches its destination efficiently.
Pallet 12 scanned and verified. Ready for loading.
Confirmed. I've updated the manifest. Looks good to go.
All the samosas are accounted for on this pallet.
Great. Once it's loaded, sign here and you're good to go.
Keep the pace up, drivers. Next pallet to truck 4.
Roger. Inbound.
Watch your spacing on the left. Clear on this side, bring it in.
All straps secured on this side. Same here. Ready to close.
We need to expedite the samosa cartons to the blue truck now. Make sure the pallets are secure.
Seal is secure. Check the manifest.
Manifest confirms 30 cases. All good here.
Ready to roll.
Manifest confirmed. This pallet is ready to go.
Everything loaded up back there?
Yeah, we're good to go. See you at the first stop.
Control, this is gate 1. The first shipment is away. All clear.
Reliably delivering across the region, bringing our famous golden samosas to a center near you.
Easy now, keep it straight.
We need the jack ready right here.
All right, let's move this pallet inside.
Make sure that shipment is secure before you move to the next truck, all right?
10 cases of samosas successfully added to inventory. Confirmed.
We need to prioritize the supermarket shipment for the morning.
Roger that. Loading the last pallet now.
Keep that line moving. We need these samosas out by 11. John, check the manifest for route 3.
From our regional hub to every corner of the country, fresh samosas are on their way.
Make sure we cross-reference the manifest before unloading.
Already on it, boss. Bay 3 is clear.
And so, as the sun dips below the horizon, the samosa factory delivers its promise to tables across the nation.